Hey guys, it's me, Carrie B. I hope that you will like, share, subscribe, and comment, and please don't forget to ring that bell so that you'll be notified when I go live and release new videos. Thanks for watching. Paper Pumpkin is a subscription craft box from Stampin' Up! That offers easy-to-follow instructions. I took mine to my scrap pile to make a mashup with a movie I was inspired by recently. Let me show you. Okay, today we're going to be doing a palette based off themed the Ricardos. We'll do one for Lucy and we'll do one for Desi. And then we're going to be doing the pool scene where they're talking when they first get started in their like showbiz careers together, I believe is what's happening. And I've got, of course, black and white because it's in black and white as well. I don't see how you can't put a nod to that. When it comes to finding creative inspiration, let Hollywood do the heavy lifting for you. When you're watching movies at night, keep your scrapbook close and your watercolor pencils closer. And make a note when you see any kind of interesting color palette combinations, background elements, or other thematic elements that you find inspiring so that you can use it for later reference. I like to stamp my sentiments on a separate paper and cut them out and mount them to a matted piece of paper. This helps me feel like I'm not going to mess up by stamping directly on my project. I almost forgot to mention, those tags are cut with the tailor-made tags dies available from Stampin'. Use a blender brush to achieve new dimension on die-cut images and stamped-in die-cut images that will help your design pop. If you're into creative off-roading with your crafting, then mashups are a fun way to flex your artistic muscles and achieve real results. My husband has affectionately decided to call my style the kitchen sink technique because I love to load up all the elements, including embellishments, to give my projects a lot of layers and detail to look at. Here I'm using one of the envelopes to repurpose as designer series paper to mat my sentiments before putting them on my tag. Your creativity is limitless, and so is a paper pumpkin kit. I hope that you'll follow the link in the description to find out if paper pumpkin is right for you.